Hi everyone, welcome to the Chiefs Arena. I am your host, The Great. Today I bring you the preview of the much anticipated game of the weekend between Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are facing the toughest opponent this week. The best scoring team in the league. The team with the least goals conceded. So it's going to be a very, very difficult game. We are coming from a 4-1 defeat against SuperSport United. So confidence is a bit low on our side. In terms of game plan, the first thing we must do is to accept that Mamelodi Sundowns are better than us in terms of quality. We cannot go pound to pound with them. That's the reality. They are going to have majority of the ball. That's how they play. They want to dominate every game. We can't play out against a team like Mamelodi Sundowns. They are very good in terms of pressing. They are going to create a 4v3 in the midfield with Ribeiro inverting and playing as a number 10. Their fullbacks are going to push very high, meaning they are going to leave space in behind. And their centre backs are very slow. We have forwards who are quick. So there's no need to go out there and try to be fancy. If we have to go from Rushin Dotli direct to Lilepo to Pulemodi, let it be. I watched Mamelodi Sundowns game against Sekhukhune United. Sekhukhune created almost all their chances by playing in behind and in transition. Let's play in behind. Go for pace. We saw Orlando Pirates trying to go pound to pound against Mamelodi Sundowns. It didn't end very well for them. If you give them space in behind, they will use that space. They will go long. They will hit you with the pace of Lucas Ribeiro, Ikham Reyners, Peter Shalulile. So let's not allow them space, especially in the midfield. Let's not play a high line. So let's go straight into my preferred starting 11. In goals, Vuma, not really convincing, I have to say, but he's the better choice. Frosla on the right and Martian on the left. If Nabi plays Bradley Cross, I'm going to lose it. I am going to lose it. And my two centre backs, Inacio Miguel and Rushin Dotli, I'm gonna tweak it a little bit in the midfield. There's no way I'm playing Thabo Cele as the sole 6 against a team like Mamelodi Sundowns. I need someone who's aggressive there. Someone also Shai Batu. I'm going to play Njabulo Blom as my number 6, Thabo Cele as my number 8. And Duduzi Shabalala as my number 10. Lilepo on the right, Pulemodi on the left, and I'm bringing back Chivaviro in the number 9 position. He's very good in terms of pulling the centre backs, and I have to say, yes, Chashwick Norris is very good in terms of follow-up play, but his all-around game, I'm not yet convinced. So I'm bringing back Chivaviro. I heard Ashley Duprez will be available. So his introduction in the second half will be very, very vital. Because we want to use pace. We want to catch them in behind. Ashley Duprez is very quick. Makes very good runs, not the best of finishers, but on his day, he's very good in terms of finishing. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back for more.